Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Divisha. In this video, I'm going to discuss question number 36 from CU to MA Economics Entrance Solution 2024. This is a question from Econometrics subject. Okay, very simple question to begin with in econometrics. This is being taught what are the assumptions of OLS, ordinary least square regression model. So if you read the assumptions of OLS, you can straightforward tell us what's the option to this. So first option is expected value of error. This is one of the property of OLS. It's an assumption under the ordinary least square regression model that expectation of the error term is taken to be as 0. So A is true. Okay, this is one of the correct assumption. Then heteroscedasticity means there is variance of error is positive. Okay, it's positive and varying as the variable x vary, right? Whatever variable that we are taking, if that is varying, the variance of the error is also varying. So however, in assumption of OLS regression model assumption, we rather say there is no heteroscedasticity present, means the variance is constant. Variance of error term is taken to be as constant, and it's not varying as the number of whatever x variable that we are taking. If we are varying the x variable, then the error is not varying. So this is what we assume, right? So therefore it's not true, because we don't take heteroscedasticity as an assumption. Rather we say there is no heteroscedasticity present in the model. Okay, then C part, model is linear in parameter. Linear in parameter means, so why if it is the dependent variable and we write say alpha plus beta times x, where x is the independent variable and these are my parameters. So we usually take as an assumption of OLS also. It's an easy representation of how independent variable may impact the dependent variable. So we take as an assumption that the regression model is linear in parameters. So this option is also true. Okay, then what about the D part? Autocorrelation, again we take there is no autocorrelation present in the model, meaning the error terms are not related. Okay, autocorrelation means error terms of different time period. Error terms are related of different time period. Okay, however, in assumption of OLS, we say there is error terms are not at all related to each other. So again this is also not true, because we say no autocorrelation in the model as part of assumption. So clearly A is true. Okay, expected value of mean is 0, of the error term is 0, that is true, and then model is linear in parameters. So A and C, fourth is therefore the correct answer to this particular question. So I hope this question is clear. It's from econometrics. If there's any doubt, you can post it in the comment box below. Okay, and if you like it, do subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching, guys.